Creating Accessible Word Documents, Chapter 3, Heading Structure. This training video is produced by the Accessibility and Policy Unit of the California Department of Social Services. The basis for this criterion is WCAG 1.3.1, Info and Relationships. Information, structure, and relationships conveyed through presentation can be programmatically determined or are available in text. Headings within a document identify major topics, subtopics, and other important landmarks in the document. Sighted users perceive structure and relationships through various visual cues. Headings are often visually different from the body of the text. They may be bolded, indented, underlined, centered, and/or italicized. These structures and the relationships they represent allow persons who use assistive technologies to understand the structure of the document. Headings assigned using built-in styles ensure that information important for comprehension and navigation will be available to all. Headings in your document should be applied to provide a sequential and relational understanding. In other words, they should be assigned based on their level of importance and relationship with other headings. Let's look at an example. In this document, produce is the main topic, assigned as a heading level 1. There are multiple types of produce, the first being fruits, which is assigned as a heading 2. Under the category of fruits, we have apples, heading 3, bananas, heading 3, and berries, heading 3. Apples, berries, and bananas all have the same relationship to one another. Under the category of berries, we have a few types of berries, the first being raspberries, heading 4, and blueberries, heading 4. Raspberries and blueberries have the same relationship to one another, but are a subset of the main topic of berries. To ensure the text which you intend to be a heading for sighted readers, such as applying bold or another visual clue, is going to be perceived as a heading for persons using assistive technologies, use the built-in styles found in the Home tab. Before we apply headings to the rest of this document, take a few seconds to think about what level heading should be assigned to each of these sections. The sections we have are vegetables, gourds, pumpkins, squash, spaghetti squash, and butternut squash. To assign headings, start in the Home tab. Navigate to the Styles. Highlight the text you wish to assign. We'll start with vegetables. And select the appropriate style in the Styles pane. Vegetables will be a heading 2. If we scroll back up, vegetables is the same level as fruits, both assigned a heading 2. Under vegetables, we have gourds, type of vegetable, that is going to be a heading level 3. And then we have pumpkins and squash, which are both types of gourd. Those will be heading level 4s. Highlight and assign, highlight and assign in the Styles pane. Further down, we have spaghetti squash and butternut squash. These are both types of squash. They're going to be heading level 5s. And then we have asparagus, be another heading 3, and corn, another heading 3, are the same level as gourds. When first assigning heading styles, the default font style may need to be adjusted. To change how headings look, right-click on the style and select Modify. We are modifying our heading 2 style. We can adjust the font, Arial, the size, the color from blue to black, and any additional attributes such as centered, bold, italicized, and underlined. For this example, we will make our heading 2s bold and italicized. Then select OK. All heading 2s in the document will change. Vegetables changed, as well as fruits. Heading styles are assigned by level of importance and relationship to one another. Additionally, the first heading in a document should always be a heading 1. Do not use the title style in place of heading 1. The title style is not recognized by assistive technologies and should be excluded from use in documents. To view the heading structure of a Word document, click on the View tab. Then select the navigation pane. The navigation pane displays the document's heading structure in an outline format. In the pane, click on a heading to navigate to that section of the document. Headings in Microsoft Word cannot share a line with another style, meaning if a heading shares a line with normal text, it will be invisible in the navigation pane. In this instance, you can see spaghetti squash shares a line with normal text and is not shown in the navigation pane. To remediate this, we're going to put it on its own line, highlight it, and reassign it as a heading 5 to ensure spaghetti squash is now on the navigation pane. And put the text on its own line, reassign it as a heading 5. All headings assigned in a Word document must appear in the navigation pane. Phantom headings. The navigation pane also identifies phantom headings, where a heading has been assigned to a blank line. These can be problematic as assistive technologies may arrive at a phantom heading and there will be no content heard. Phantom headings are often created by moving existing headings within the document using the Enter key. To remove phantom headings, select the phantom heading in the navigation pane. The cursor focus will move to the blank line. Reassign the line to normal using the Styles pane. Creating a table of contents using heading structure. Creating a table of contents, TOC, is not required. However, once built-in headings are assigned, a table of contents with internal links can be created. Simply place cursor focus where the TOC will appear, select the Preferences tab, and choose Table of Contents. Select the preferred style. Let's use NVDA to navigate the headings in this document. For more information on how to use the NVDA screen reader, APU has created a document showing common keystrokes to help users get started. This can be found on the Accessibility and Policy Unit SharePoint page. To start the screen reader, use Ctrl-Alt-N. To navigate from heading to heading in Word, one must first enter Browse mode, which is the keystroke Insert spacebar. Now, navigate from heading to heading using the H key.
Page 1 Heading Level 2 Bold Italic Fruits. Heading Level 3 No Italic Underlined Apples. Heading Level 3 Bananas.
You can also pull up a list of all of the headings in a document using the keystroke Insert F7.
Elements List dialog.
And navigating to headings. In the headings section, you can see all of the headings that have been assigned to the document. To turn off NVDA, use the keystroke Insert Q.
Exit NVDA dialog.
And then select OK or press Enter. Note: the accessibility checker does not check for heading structure. The accessibility checker should not be relied upon to ensure a heading structure has been added to the document. For more information about this topic, or any of the topics in our series, contact the Accessibility and Policy Unit at accessibilitypolicyunit@dss.ca.gov.